Meets or exceeds industry certification standards and requirements of most appliance manufacturers. For use with appliances that require 15A or less. Grounded, 3-prong plug head. Right angle plug head keeps the cord close to the wall. Stripped and tinned wires for secure hookup. For years, licensed plumbers, electricians and appliance installers have relied on certified appliance accessories for their power cords, hoses and connectors. Now you can too. Enjoy the convenience offered by this appliance power supply cord from Certified Appliance Accessories. Its flexibility and durability ensure a reliable connection for your next home installation project. This high-quality power supply cord has been thoroughly tested and is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Check your appliance's manual for the correct specifications to ensure this is the right cord for you. Thank you for choosing Certified Appliance Accessories, your appliance connection solution. Top reviews from the United States. Worked well in a non-standard setting. I've seen a number of reviews regarding confusion over the wiring. The green, ground, is the middle wire with the printing on it. The white, neutral, wire is the one on the right, facing the plug, and is marked with a W by the right prong. And the insulation is ribbed. That is a common designation, it seems. The hot wire is the left wire with the smooth insulation.